Is selling beats online dead? Let's get it. Yo, what's going on? This your boy Ceasar from 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐵.com. Definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to get updated on new videos. Let's get right into it. Is selling beats online dead? Absolutely not. Actually, I believe there's just not enough beat makers or producers online selling beats. Selling beats online has just begun for a lot of beat makers and producers. It's a thing to where you definitely have to market and brand yourself and make sure you have good production. All those things are achievable. It's just a lot of beat makers or producers, they simply can't do all three of those things. They either know how to market, but necessarily don't know how to brand. They either know how to brand, but their production is not good. They know how to brand, but their beat making skills are horrible and their beats are just whack. So what that does, it definitely creates an insecurity in the beat maker creating beats. Maybe selling beats online is dead and things of that nature. It is absolutely not dead. You need to focus on three things. You need to focus on branding, you need to focus on marketing, and you need to focus on making your beats as good as possible. I definitely used to think that beats were just, selling beats online was just a dead end. It's never gonna happen for me. And two, I started to do a lot of research on how do you actually brand yourself and market yourself? And it really gave me a different perspective on how I should go about selling my beats. Another thing is making sure your production is good. You have to always think that when people are out and about, they're listening to music in their cars, maybe in the gym, at the park, taking a walk, whatever, they're always hearing good production, good quality instrumentals. You want to make sure that your beats are as good as what people hear every single day. If your quality stinks, most likely they're not going to want to engage into buying your beats or listening. That's just the truth, you guys. So with that being said, you want to make sure that you focus on branding, marketing, and your beat production. Out of all three of those, you want to focus on your beat production. You want to make sure your beats as good as you can possibly get it. I'll definitely have more videos showing production tips and things of that nature to help you get your production as clean and crisp as possible. But selling beats online is not dead. There's plenty of room for producers out there to put their beats on SoundClick or Airbit or BeatStars or posting your beats wherever to get it out there for people to listen to. All right, you guys, I'm gonna end it right there. I didn't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to let you know that selling beats is not dead online. When you hear it, if somebody say it, it is absolutely not true. They just don't have the right tools to make their online beat selling successful. That's what I'm here for. I'm gonna help you do that. All right, thank you for checking out this video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, you guys. We really wanna grow this channel, and I will holler at you soon. Peace.